Good morning to you, class 4. I welcome you again in this class where I am going to teach you the different kinds of sentences. In the last video, I taught you the basic difference between a sentence and a phrase. Here, I am going to teach you the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. They are assertive or declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. An assertive or a declarative sentence can also be called a statement sentence simply because it simply states or asserts something. It says something. For example, he is an honest man. Karim hit the ball hard. It is very hot today. So, assertive sentence just states any fact, and that is called assertive or declarative or even a statement sentence. I go on to the second sentence, the imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences that express some command, request, advice, or warning. For example, please be quiet. It's a request. Get out. It can be an order or a command. Read the question carefully. It can be a request or an advice. Do not go near the water. It can be taken as a warning. Listen to your elders is an example of advice. So when you are asked to identify the sentences, you don't have to say this is a request sentence, this is a command or order. You just have to write imperative sentence. For the sake of explaining the difference between a request, a command, or an advice, I have shown you this way in the video. Otherwise, when you are actually identifying the imperative sentences, you just have to write imperative sentence. I hope it's clear now. The third form of sentence is the interrogative sentence. These sentences are those that ask questions, and they always end with a question mark. Why are you late? There's a question mark. Whose book is this? It's a question sentence and therefore it ends with a question mark. Are you feeling better? Is also an interrogative or question sentence. Now, I go on to the 4th category of sentences, the exclamatory sentences. These are those that express some strong or sudden feelings. Strong or sudden feelings can be happy or sad. And these type of sentences always end with an exclamation mark. Alas, my pet bird is no more. Means, alas, my pet bird has died. Hurrah! We have won the match. How cold the night is. Hush! The baby is sleeping. Remember, boys, when you are writing exclamatory sentence, the exclamation marks are very, very important. Alas means you are having a feeling of sadness. Alas, and immediately after that there is an exclamation mark. My pet bird is no more means my pet bird has died. Hurrah! Exclamation mark. We have won the match. You can also say bravo, well done. If you have done something very well, and your parents are encouraging you, they can tell you, bravo, well done, my boy. How cold the night is. The exclamation marks come only after the sentence. Hush means keep quiet. Exclamation mark, the baby is sleeping. I hope I have clearly explained to you the different categories of sentences, and in the next worksheet I am going to give you sentences where you have to mark or identify the different kinds of sentences. Thank you, my boys.